Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start web hosting with HostGator step by step clearly. To start web hosting with HostGator, first, visit the HostGator website. Once on the homepage, click on the Get Started button. You will be presented with various hosting plans. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Click on the Buy Now button next to your selected plan. Next, you will need to create a new domain name. Enter your desired domain name in the provided field. Select the appropriate domain extension from the drop-down menu. If you already have a domain, click on the I already own this domain option. After entering your domain details, click on the Continue button. Now, fill in your account information. Provide your email address and choose a password. Select your billing cycle from the drop-down menu. You can opt for monthly, yearly, or multi-year billing. Next, enter your billing information, including your name, address, and phone number. Scroll down to the Package Details section. Review the selected plan and any add-ons you wish to include. You may want to consider options like SiteLock or CodeGuard for added security. After reviewing, scroll to the next section where you can enter your payment information. Fill in the credit card details or select another payment method if available. Once all information is completed, read the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Finally, click on the Checkout Now button to complete your purchase. After a successful transaction, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will contain your account login details and additional information for getting started. Log into your HostGator account using the credentials provided in the email. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the HostGator control panel. From here, you can manage your hosting settings, create email accounts, and access the website builder. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.